If you look in the west soon after sunset, you'll be able to see a spectacular parade of 5 planets, 4 of which are visible to the naked eye. Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Uranus, and Mars will form an arc alongside the waxing moon. This rare planetary parade will be visible from March 25th through 30th. However, if you want to see all 5 planets simultaneously, you must plan ahead. Timing, dark skies, and a clear view of the horizon are critical. In this video, you will find every detail, along with the dates of conjunctions in this planetary parade, and tips to see a bonus celestial object at the end. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any important astronomical events. Let's start with Venus. As soon as the sun dips below the horizon, look in the west. The brightest speck of light you will see will be Venus, shining at an impressive magnitude of -3.9. In astronomy, the apparent magnitude denotes the brightness of a celestial object. The lesser the magnitude, the brighter the object. Venus had a busy time with other objects in this region of the sky. First, it had a spectacular conjunction with Jupiter a few weeks ago, when the 2 planets passed within half a degree of each other, appearing like a double star in the evening sky. Then, on March 24th, the moon passed in front of the planet, temporarily hiding it from view as seen from some parts of the world. Venus will continue to rise in the evening sky throughout April and May. Don't miss to look in the west in the dusk skies of April 23rd and May, as the moon will pass extremely close to the planet, creating stunning evening views. Jupiter and Mercury will be hard to see, as they'll be pretty close to the horizon. For the best chance to spot these planets, get far from city lights to a place with dark skies before sunset. Check the weather forecast and aim for a cloudless evening. Find a spot with an unobstructed view of the western horizon, with no buildings or mountains blocking the sunset. You'll need to peer low on the horizon to see Jupiter and Mercury, and binoculars or a telescope may be necessary to catch the full 5-planet procession. Fortunately, with astronomy apps given in the description, it's easy to identify and locate the planets according to your place. Jupiter is currently approaching its solar conjunction. This means that it will soon pass behind the Sun from the perspective of Earth. Hence, it will appear to be sinking in the west with each passing day. Mercury, on the other hand, is gaining altitude. As a result, the 2 planets will meet each other on the evening of March 28th. After this day, they will swap places, and Jupiter will be the one closer to the horizon than Mercury. Jupiter will be slightly brighter of the 2. This is the last opportunity to spot Jupiter before it passes behind the Sun and remains hidden in its glare for several weeks. The gas giant will then reappear in the dawn skies. Uranus lies close to Venus. However, you'll need a telescope or a pair of binoculars to see the planet. That's because it has an apparent magnitude of +5.8 at the edge of the naked eye limit. Finally, Mars will be at the highest point above the horizon in the planet parade. The red planet will be fairly bright at an apparent magnitude of 0.92. The coming few weeks will be good enough to see and photograph the planet. Just like Jupiter, it will then disappear behind the Sun as it reaches its solar conjunction. The best date to see Mars in the planet parade will be March 28th, when the 7-day-old moon will pass within 2 degrees of the red planet in Gemini. Lastly, the bonus object. If you stay up all night or wake up before dawn, you may spot Saturn hanging low on the eastern horizon just before sunrise. Saturn recently passed behind the Sun and is emerging in the dawn skies. In the coming months, it will start becoming a midnight object, and then an early evening object close to its opposition. So don't miss this spectacular celestial show. Get to a dark spot with a clear view of the western horizon and witness this cosmic dance of planets in the sky. Also, a comet is approaching the Earth that may outshine even the brightest stars in the night sky. It could be the brightest comet we will see in decades.